Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insight with Dara. So today we're going to be making this beautiful scrunchie. It is very easy to make. It depends on the size you want, if you want it big or you want it small. So please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Thank you. Hello guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making scrunchie. It is very easy to make. So the measurement you are working with is 9 inches by 17 inches. So what you do is to go ahead and go to your sewing machine. Then you're going to sew down, like you're going to sew it down. So guys, we've gone ahead to sew. So the next thing you are going to do is to try and push this in. So I'm going to be showing you every bit of it so you can understand it. This is it here. So what you just do is to place it together like this. You can secure it with your pin. So you're going to sew it round, but you won't finish it. You can leave like 1.5 inches. So I'll just go ahead and sew to somewhere here. I'm not going to finish the sewing. So guys, as you can see, this is what I've done. I've gone ahead to sew, but I did not finish with the sewing. So I'm just going to be pulling it out from here. So this is what I have. So you just press it with your iron. So I'll go ahead and press it with my iron before fixing the elastic. So guys, I've gone ahead to press it with my iron. So this is the elastic I'll be using, and I have 7 inches elastic here. This is 7 inches. So you're just going to be inserting your safety pin, or whichever way you know how to fix it. You're just going to fix it like this. So guys, I'm done fixing the elastic. So what I'm just going to do now is to tie it. You can sew it, you can tie it. So this is it here. I'll just tie it to be firm enough. As you can see, this scrunchie is very full. This is very full. So if you don't want yours to be as full as this, you can reduce it. You can reduce the measurement. So this, I'm just going to gum it. So guys, I'm just going to be using this gum for it. But if you don't have, you can use your needle and thread to stitch it together. So as you can see, I'll just apply it like this gently. Then I'm going to bring it together like this. So this is what we have. This is what we have here. You can just arrange it. So this is really full. This is so full. So if you want it smaller, you can reduce your measurement. So guys, thank you for watching. This is a smaller version of it. So it depends on how big or how small you want it to be. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. See you in my next video.